Welcome visionaries, get ready to unlock the secret sauce of a killer pitch deck. Today, we dive deep into the world of metrics and discover the magic of weaving numbers into a captivating narrative that will leave investors begging for more. Imagine stepping into a room armed with the power of metrics that can enchant and mesmerize. These numbers are not just data points, they are the lifeblood of your startup, the fuel that ignites your ambitions, and the proof that your vision is destined for greatness. But beware, my friend, not all metrics are created equal. Just like assembling a dream team of superheroes, you need metrics that shine brightly, ones that embody the essence of your business model and showcase the tremendous growth and untapped market potential that lies within your grasp. Now, listen closely, for here's the key to capturing hearts and wallets. It's not enough to simply flaunt these impressive numbers. It's about divulging the story behind them. What do these metrics represent? How do they position you as a force to be reckoned with in the market? It's the context, the narrative, that transforms mundane figures into a spine-tingling tale of triumph. The sweet elixir that every investor craves. Use your metrics to paint a vivid picture of your journey, from the humble beginnings where the sparks of your idea first ignited to the triumphant milestones that make you unstoppable. Tap into the power of these growth stories, for they possess a magnetic pull that captures the imagination and inspires unwavering confidence. But remember, my friend, the real magic happens when the curtain falls and the spotlight turns towards you. When the questions start flying like fiery arrows, that's when you truly shine. Arm yourself with insights and analysis that go beyond mere numbers, showcasing your genius as the mastermind behind the metrics. So, are you ready to enrich your pitch deck with metrics that border on sorcery? Embrace the art of striking the perfect balance between data-driven evidence and irresistible storytelling. Together, let's embark on this exhilarating journey towards success. Don't forget to follow us for more enchanting insights on turning dreams into reality.